Hi, I'm Ashton from Howdens, Aylesbury. I've worked here for 4 months now, been doing my level 2 warehouse apprenticeship. I started my apprenticeship, my induction was with Corrie. Every month since, I've had Jason Bittle to help me through health and safety and all my other assessments associated with my apprenticeship. When it comes to staff and that, when I first started, I thought it was going to be quite intimidating, knowing all these people that I've never met before. But they just treated me like I had already worked before, like they knew me, and that helped so much in the confidence side of it. And when it comes to training and that, they were there if I needed them. I never had to really sort it out myself, they were always there on the side. If you want to get a job or you want to get paid to learn, go to Nova Training.